What's going on, everybody? So I'm out in the garage again. First thing I want to show you though is the piece that I missed from the other video about the alternator. So let's take a look at that. So the piece that I thought you didn't use, you do use, and it doesn't go down here, it goes right here. So this is just 2 bolts, and now you have a total of 3 bolts holding the alternator. So definitely use this piece, but that was the piece I was talking about. Now let's get into the rest of it.
We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'. Doing this is my...
Alright guys, so I finally got my valley plate to delete the knock sensors. So let's go ahead and install that. So first I'm going to put on the new gasket I got from Jags. Bend it down a little bit. Alright. Then we're going to install our nice billet ICT plate with the mounting hardware that it came with. Let me find the correct size Allen head for this so we can tighten them all down. All right, there it is. That's nice and installed. Looks much cleaner. All right, guys. So I got some bad news. Unfortunately, the steam vent kit that I got does not work with the stock LS6 intake manifold or any stock LS intake manifolds. You have to use like an aftermarket, like Holley Hiram or something like that. So they have another one that I'm going to buy that actually works with the LS6 intake manifold. So it's a bummer because that's a really nice piece, but I'm going to hold on to it because eventually I'm going to upgrade. But for now, let's go ahead and get the LS6 intake manifold on. Here's the intake manifold. So before we actually put this thing on, we're going to go ahead and get all these gaskets out, the old ones. These are brand new from GM. 12533587 is the part number. Alright, so now they're all in. Let's go and flip this thing around and sit it down. Perfect. Let me grab the bolts. I got some pretty cool Allen head bolts for the intake manifold. Alright, got them. And these are also 5mm as well. So it comes with a washer. Just put it down in there. Alright, now I'm not going to tighten these down because I want to torque them down so I don't ruin the gaskets. Not sure the torque spec, so I have to look that up. I'll do that a little bit later. So for now, let me go ahead and get this fuel rail off and we'll throw on the new fuel rail. Alright, so these are just some 10mm bolts. Looks like there's just 4 of them. And then we'll just take the rails off. I'm still going to use the injectors that are on here, so we'll see how to get those off in a second. Looks like you just pop this little, just pop this little clip off with a flathead screwdriver and they should come free. Or so you think they come free.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, I got all the injectors out. So let's go ahead and put our fuel rails on. Went ahead and lubricated the top of them so they should slide in pretty easy. And it doesn't look like there's really a wrong way. Oh, we have to get our brackets. 1 second. Alright, so the back brackets there are all tightened down. You see that? We'll go ahead and put the injectors in the hole. Turn these slightly. They're all in there. Lines up with the hole perfect. Now, in that kit that I was showing you, comes with 4 bolts for the fuel rail as well. So I'll open this and get those bolts in. And these bolts for the fuel rail are also 5mm. Alright, so that's on there. Injectors are in. And now let's do the other side. Alright, so I got the brackets on the back of these. Let's go ahead and slide these on. This side. Right, those look to be in. Now let's go ahead and get the bolts in the rail. Alright guys, so there it is. The LS6 intake manifold on the 5.3 truck engine with some nice aftermarket rails and the stock LS6 injectors. So I guess my next thing will be decide of how I'm going to mount my fuel pressure regulator. I'm thinking it's going to be somewhere back here, but I have to wait till I get in the car to decide. But what I do know is that I will be capping off both front ends here because I don't like the way the line coming over looks in the front. I want to keep it all in the back, keep it all clean looking. But other than that, that's I think that's everything for tonight. Because I still have to replace my front seal. I'm taking that off, taking it to work, and I'm going to paint my valve covers and put those on. And then I got some other stuff we can put on. But yeah. So that's it for today. I got really nothing else. I wanted to keep it kind of short. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share, and comment. Let me know how I'm doing like usual. So thanks guys, see you later.